Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya observed World Literacy Day 2021. Meghalaya East Khasi Hills District Administration releases Don Bosco Youth Centre Corona Care Centre after the decline of COVID-19 cases. Nyotrep Integrated Territorial Organisation seeks proper selection of sites for setting up police station and police outposts, and former Meghalaya Home Minister R.J. Lingdo decides to return to the Congress Party. Another news in detail. The State Project Office, State Education Mission Authority of Meghalaya, Shillong, in collaboration with the Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides Shillong headquarters, today organized World Literacy Day 2021 at a function held at the Auditorium Hall, Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides headquarters, Shillong. D.P. Walang, Additional Chief Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, Education Department and State Mission Director SEMAM SSA, attended the program as chief guest. The theme for World Literacy Day 2021 is Literacy for a Human-Centered Recovery, Narrowing the Digital Divide. Speaking on the occasion, D.P. Walang stated that the main objective of the program is to raise awareness about the importance of literacy as a matter of dignity and human rights. The aim is to have a literate and a sustainable society by advancing literacy, by imparting education to all who are in the purview of receiving education, and also to bring back children who are out of schools or institutions to be the mainstream or to educational institution. Dwelling on the theme, he mentioned that the word recovery directly implies the impact of the pandemic in the last 2 years on the educational system. During the day, a session on free and compulsory education as per Right to Education Act 2009 was also conducted by TTM Sangma, Special Officer from Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority. An awareness program on tobacco use among students, which is part of Tobacco-Free Educational Institution program, was also given by Dr. Lana L. Nongbri, State Nodal Officer, Tobacco Cell, Health Department. A testimonial out of school children on continued learning during the pandemic was also shared on the occasion.
All of you on this occasion of World Literacy Day. Started in 1966 as declared by UNESCO and celebrated for the first time in 1967. So every year we have been celebrating. The whole idea and the whole objective of this day is to raise awareness about the importance of literacy as a matter of dignity and human rights. This is the main objective of observing the World Literacy Day. The aim is to make sure that we have a more literate and sustainable society by advancing literacy. How do we advance literacy? By imparting education to all those who are within the purview of getting educated, and also, as we have seen, to bring those who are out of schools and out of institutions, who are out of the system, to mainstream them and to bring them back to the educational system. Now, the theme in this year is very important and very eye-catching. The theme of the World Literacy Day this year is Human-Centered Recovery to Narrow the Digital Divide. Recovery from what is the first question. Recovery from the impact the pandemic had in the last 2 years on the educational system. So how do we recover? We can recover, of course, by what we are resorting to, that is using technology. That is the most effective way. But to have a proficient and an optimal solution to this, we need digital inclusion. Now, are all the students covered digitally? That's the first question. We have not conducted any formal survey, but a random sampled survey made through telephone calls, made through conversations across the state will tell us that digital inclusion is still a dream. In fact, in the urban areas, only between 50 to 60%.
In recent days, with the drop in COVID-19 cases and the resumption of schools and other educational and training activities, the East Khasi Hills District Administration has released several community corona care centers which had been set up by the Health Department. Many of these centers were made functional through the initiative and active collaboration of several individuals, institutions, associations and Dorbar Shillong. One such centre was the Don Bosco Youth Centre under Zone 1 in Limekra, which admitted a total of 113 COVID-positive cases from June 2021 to August 2021. This particular centre was set up, run and managed wholly by the authorities of the Don Bosco Youth Centre, with the district administration and district medical and health officer giving support. The Deputy Commissioner Isawanda Lalu expressed gratitude to the Superior, Rector and Director of Don Bosco Youth Centre and all the hard-working staff and nurses for giving such good care to the patients admitted in the centre. Social organization belonging to Hnyotrep Integrated Territorial Organization today urged the state government to carefully select the sites for setting the new police station and police outposts in the state. In a memorandum addressed to Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma through the Meghalaya Home Minister Lakman Rumbui, Hnyotrep Integrated Territorial Organization said the state government should strengthen the police presence at Mukro, Psiar, Khanduli and Umlaper on the Meghalaya Assam border, where a number of undesirable incidents including encroachment and intimidation have taken in the recent past. Hnyotrep Integrated Territorial Organization also regretted the domineering attitude shown by Assam in these villages.
Katkum ga nagaliang dong ga seng nagaliang ga ito katkum ga jingkwa juni bani kendo yau Chief Minister lembabu Home Minister habai day batka ban bani kendo bani namata ban bu ikador khas habai day batka jingrai dong kabinet ban kentiu kerdano yaki police outpost ki badai kumkam sning bat kiwi ki outpost Shaka police station halor gani kapang nagaliang ding iseng ni sodon ban ai jingmut khamtam hakum kan khidmat baga jalla jungi kadon kam na bata ban yada helo put sam khamtam haki thain border jong ka rikasi bi jungi kumta nagaliang ding iseng ni sodon ban ai jingmut lengba kadon khas namar ba ngimsem layo lat bani kendu yau Chief Minister lani Home Minister kumta nila phano dagamil sya Chief Minister belum jungi ba igerpat yo Chief Minister ba ban kum kajing ajimut ban pensuki shwa habaide ba kajing kentiu kordan yaki police outpost dan ne banbu yaki outpost ha ki jaka Shillong lane ha ki jaka paiba kum ha ki Shillong githau lane ha ki ba long Shillong ma te kai ba ngi I mata ka long ba ka ba kong santam ba ka jaj batru jungi ni don kam yaki police outpost lane ki border outpost ha ki jaka border ka jungi namar kum ba ngi syam ha ki ni kisngi bat ki jingja ki wadang jam mata kini ki por ba jingsha nyon jong ka jella ka jungi ha ki time border ki bru jong ka jella jungi ha time ha ki border area kalalong syaba palat liam te kumta nagaliam jungi so day man kepat lengba ka ne dor khas sya government balada long ka bala ban pen suki shwa ha ba de batin ki tri kerdan ha ki jaka paiba kum yaga umsning outpost bat kiwi sya ki police station bat ban island lane bat simkhia shwa ban kentiu lane ban bu mardor ya ki border outpost ha ki border area jomka rikasi jungi.
Former Meghalaya Home Minister has disclosed returning to the Congress fold after a decade of being away from active politics. While returning to the Congress, Lyngdoh expressed the need to strengthen the party before taking any role in the party. He also said that he needs to take care for his health. He said that his heart does not allow to be a mere spectator when he sees the decline in the law and order, including the rising trend of unemployment in the state. He also said that he was persuaded by the new Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee President Vincent Pala and other senior Congress leaders to return to the Congress fold.
Mentar tentang lihat health issues, bah menabung overcome kita arah yang belum parti, mentar ke kongres ini, kongres apa yang mau persiang, apa ini, ngapain juga sih lah yang mempunyai tili atau kini tili di parti yang belum sini ini masuk mempunyai dua tiga identiti jadi kemudian berkuat ini semua bukan job election sudah sen parti bukan job election mempunyai dua mesin stop again a change of the dispensation of the Congress under Vincent Pala, Urwani Kandurina, Parin, Nibamata, start the economy and the mind to a Uru, a Pushini, Payas, of the Tuatra. Kalau orang tahu jadi sembari padahal dia kerana padahal tentang jadi terkat kita election tu padahal apa yang mentahi mengadang surai mengan mungkin parti di sijang tu ini siapa kerjaan apa dalam saya these are ideas that perhaps we can consider. Ngam kuat bor, ngam ni ngarung nanti banyalamnya banyak bor na, ngarung ya macam tu juga jelas. Nomor ba, kung may inutari ba ng hias na hias, kanang hias. Di nabar, tu pagkapansin, sulong frustrated, niyo pandai. Perjuangan, kita belum tak kita jauh. Perjuangan sama kita bukan. Perjuangan yang bawa piru lah. Nama pernah ada apa? Kenalung kata menonggong alam yang rela kawan mungkin kentai.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.